checking in on Air Canada app is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can check in on Air Canada app. So for that you need to follow these instructions. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to check in kiosk, which means there should be kiosks which you can visit, and there you will be able to print and attach your baggage. So you just have to go to any of the kiosk in the airport, which looks something like that. You just have to go to that places and you will easily be able to print something, tickets for your baggage. So you just have to do that and attach it to your bag. Now the step two is drop off your check bag at the Air Canada bag counter. So after preparing your luggage with the tags on it, you simply have to go to counter and let them know that these are my bags. Kindly check in, and they will identify and enter or check in your baggage. Now after that, you simply have to follow the signs. There should be signs saying go there or there. You just have to do that, and at the very end, they will do the security checking, and at the very end, you are checked in through your online or application. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.